Hi everyone, you're welcome back to Nail Connect. So today we are doing the ombre and the coconut tree nail art. It's beginners friendly and I would advise you try this on your client. They will love it. Yeah, I know. Trust me. So I use blue gel with orange color pigment for the ombre. So this is the blue dried and everything. I didn't dry it fully so that the color pigment can stick into it. I dried it for just 10 seconds. That will depending on the gel, the kind of gel you are using. Yeah, some gel dried very fast and others too doesn't dry fast, so it will depend on the gel you are using. I dried mine only for 10 seconds so the pigment can stick into it well, and I blended very well. Blend very well, especially at the middle side. You don't have to see any line on everything. Everything has to blend very well. So I continued with the blending till I got exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, this is perfect. Like I did the blending very perfect, as you can see. So beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful and look. So with this, if you don't have the airbrush, yeah, you go in with this easy, simple method. No need to stress yourself if you don't have the airbrush. You have to go buy it and stuff. No, this is easy and simple. Now we're on the coconut. So I made a line from the middle. I gently dragged it from the middle to the tip of the nail. Gently, please. No need to rush about this thing. So I gently dragged it down, took my time to get the line. So here I was done with the branches. Should I say branches? Or yeah, I was done with the branches. So before you go in with the tiny strokes on it, please clean the brush. You have to clean it, else it will spoil everything. It will mess everything up. So I cleaned the brush off camera before doing the tiny strokes. You only have to go in with the little amount of gel you have on the branches to get the tiny strokes. If you go in with more, you might end up spoiling everything. My first coconut tree is ready. It's giving. Oh my god, I love it. Let's move on to the second one. It's the same procedure as the first one. You make a line from the middle to the tip of the nail. Same procedure as the first one, how we did it. You make the big strokes like the branches, five. I prefer making it five. Maybe you can prefer doing it four. Because if it's more than five, it might not be nice. Yeah, it's so. So yeah, I cleaned the brush again before I did the tiny strokes. Yeah, you have to clean it. Take note, else you mess everything up. This is my two beautiful coconut trees. Done. So we have to give it a bit of bed or vulture. I don't know how you call it, either a bed or vulture. Yeah, up there. So now we are done with our art, but I wanted a glossy finishing, so I went in with the top coat, the glossy one. You can still go in with your matte top coat. That will give you the matte, finishing, but I wanted a glossy finishing. So there is our final look. This is a final result. Beautiful. Rate my beautiful art in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's No Connect on YouTube. Thank you all for watching. Love you all. Mwah!